just a wee look at the Boox Note Air 3. That's the black and white version, not the 3C colour version. This is a much more sophisticated notepad than on the Kindle Scribe for the moment, at least. All the different pens and brushes. These are colours and they will export as actual colours when viewed on a coloured device. Same for screenshots you take on this device. There's also shapes, and they do the automatic shape recognition. You draw an approximate circle and it'll turn it into a perfect circle, etc. You can fill. There are layers, pretty useful. You can change the background page template on a per page or per notebook basis, and you can use your own templates that you create on this or elsewhere. The battery lasts for ages. I think I've had it for a couple of weeks now. It's at 63%, saying more than 2 days left, which is an understatement because it arrived at 93% charge and I've never plugged it in, not at all, not even when it arrived. It's a full Android tablet, so you've got the Google Play Store, Chrome browser, Firefox browser. You could put your social media stuff on it if you really wanted to, but of course the main attraction of this is the focus. What else have we got going on here? I've got a lasso tool, of course, for selecting stuff. You can help organize your documents by tagging. So let's say I was writing about my new novel that's coming out, Jinx. So if I was to Jinx and then select that, say I wanted to make that a tag, it automatically recognizes the handwriting and proposes making a tag. You can see it sort of cross-hatched in the background. And now if I were to search, I mean this is a artificial example because I've only got this one instance of it, but you can search for your tags like Jinx and it will find it. It also searches handwriting if that's what you want. You can of course type, there are text notes, a word processor, font styles, all that stuff. You can write into text fields like you can on an iPad. You can also dictate, either using this one or the Google Voice keyboard, I think it's called, which is really, really accurate. And those are just a few of the things that this does. It's really impressive. I don't know what that does. But yeah, one of the most impressive and weird things about it is actually this cover. It's a iPad type cover. What do you call it on an iPad? A smart cover or something? So it folds so you can stand it up like that, but also it's got this crease, and the reason for that is ridiculously so that you can pop that, turn this bit up in, if you can see that, and then put it like that magnetically, so it forms a portrait stand so that you could read or write or whatever. Crazy.